I'd like your opinion regarding American Standard furnace complaints before I go out and buy one.
There are jokes. American Standard is the label that Trane puts on the furnaces that fail their quality control checks.
What are the major complaints about American Standard furnaces?
At best, it is noisy. At worst, it is quiet on a cold night that gets even colder when your family is fighting over who goes into a dark basement to restart it.
I wonder what goes wrong with them.
They have problems with the thermostat not working right. The igniter switches have problems too.
That could cause a gas leak.
Not necessarily, since the units usually shut off properly if it is not burning right, but it will leave you cold and lonely until the service person arrives.
I'd be surprised if any HVAC repair person arrives that fast.
The circuit boards need to be replaced often, though they tend to last until just after the warranty expires.
They have good actuaries.
The blowers last 2 or 3 years before needing to be replaced.
That's as bad as an ignition switch dying, since a furnace that heats up but cannot distribute the heat might as well be dead.
It is worse because the blowers cost a lot more to replace.
How is the warranty with American Standard?
There are a lot of complaints about American Standard trying to blame installation instead of honoring the warranty for bad equipment. Nor does the warranty cover labor, even if it covers the parts.
Most new warranties do not cover labor anymore, even when it covers the parts.
Your customer service makes you wait a long time, but they'll readily sell you an extended warranty.
I'll definitely have to maintain the unit if I decide to buy one.
They'll blame any failures on a lack of maintenance, and the authorized repair people may not honor the warranty if you did not use them to service it.
That complaint is not unique to American Standard.
The American Standard furnaces have problems with both ash and humidity, which tends to kill the motherboard. The only upside is that the energy efficiency goes up, because it does not run very often.
That's worse than having to go down into the basement to hit the reset button to get it to work after a power brownout.
Oh, that's something you have to do with it too.
I do not want to have anything to do with it.
That's why so many people read the complaints about American Standard and pay more for the Trane.